We are recording. Hi, hello. Today we are doing a restoration video. You heard it right, a restoration. This is going to be a little out of my ballpark, but we're going to be restoring this Ziploc bag. That's what's in the Ziploc bag. And it came from my grandma's house. And I know for sure it is way older than me. And it is older than my grandma and grandpa. And I am pretty dang sure that is dang near close to the 80, 90 year mark. Almost to 100. What I'm going to be restoring is this 100... 70? No. I don't know. It's close to 100 years old. It's a doorknob. It's a really cool doorknob. Like, really cool doorknob. And I restored one, but it was very, very mild, and I didn't know what I was doing. But I have a decent clue how to restore one part. The part that you see, the big black part there. I know how to restore that. But I don't know how to do the knob or the plates. And so, and this lock is old, because if you see in the back plate, or it's a skeleton key. Look at that, you can see all the dirt and grime and crap in it too. So, I found myself a way how to clean the front up here. You just slap it in the vise and you take your orbital sander and you go from like 120 to like 600 grit on the orbital sander. And that seems to work pretty dang good. So that's what we're going to do. And the spring is fine, so not to worry about that. Okay. Let me get the orbital sander ready. Can't see it, but it's over there. Okay. I got the orbital sander. I got like what, 120 on it? Yeah, 120. And I'm just gonna smooth down all this so it's like a I can only assume it's a brass plate for how old it is. Like, I don't know what it is. We're going to sand it down and make it shiny. That's what I know how to do. So we're going to do that. It just came. Okay, that's weird. No clue what you can call that, but it is okay. That's weird. And what the crap happened to my 120 disc? It like, oh shoot. That's kind of dumb. Let me go get a new 120 disc. Okay. I got a new 120 on here. Get this all nice and flush and pretty. Let's crank it up to high speed, I guess. See what that does. Yeah, it's definitely not brass. Weird. So I'm gonna basically be doing that all the way up to 600 grit. Oakley dokley. So there's the top of the lock right now. I just got finished sanding it down to 600 grit with the orbital sander. Now, to get the really nice finish I love, I'm going to do a little bit of hand sanding. Where's the oil? There it is. Gotta put a little bit of elbow grease into it to get that amazing finish out of it that will look good. And this is gonna go back in my grandma's house when it's done. So oh, that is beautiful. Holy crap. I'm jealous now. Wow. So, that's where the deadlock goes. So this part right here is done. It looks like it's all made to look like brass, but it really isn't brass. Polish up the deadlock here, because it's got skeleton key to it, so it's like, I was gonna ask them, but heck if they know. I don't even know why you need it. They don't even really shut doors in their house anyways, so. There's that. Now, where is the other thing at? Dang it, there's the part that actually slides into the lock itself when you're closing the door so it stays latched. This, I don't know what I'm going to do. I need you to sit like right here. I need a tinier vise. Never thought I'd say that. Okay, don't crush my finger. I need my finger. I need my finger. Okay, we got him. Just gave it like a light 600 for the fun of it. This is the part that's going to see all the wear, so don't need to be too pretty. Yeah, it's all got like a brass coating or something on it. In reality, it's just a stamped metal or something. It's not brass, it's just a coating on it, and it's all weird. Okay, so we got that done. Now, we need to work on the plates. What I mean by the plates are, get these little guys out of here. Here, let's put all the things back in the lock before I forget, and then it gets all kerfuffled. Okay. This is where this goes. Yep. And you shove the spring in there, which this spring is probably about shot. Do we have any other springs? pretty quickly. Might be a hardware store trip, I don't know. Peppers. It's not really one of my biggest worries right now. Since, how does this thing go like that? Oh gosh, floofing, dang it. No, it goes like back in here. Yeah. And that little guy's supposed to sit right there, supposedly. And I'll shove the deadbolt back in. Which way is that supposed to go? It was supposed to sit. Oh, it's cool. It's like brazed on there. Don't know what brazing is? It's like... Or it's either just stuck into the part. I don't know. Looks like it's brazed though. I'm not going to try to explain brazing because it's complicated. Does it go like that? If I try it the other way. Yeah, that's not much any better. I don't English. It doesn't even fit through the hole that way. It does. Okay, so you're going in this way. That's where you sit. Now, screw this little turd back together here. Supposedly, we should be able to turn this and this still functions. Cool. So this part is done. That can go up there for all I care. Now those are going to be tricky. Because as we've seen in the actual thingy up there, the lock box itself, it's just like coated in something. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. So I'm going to do a little bit of testing off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay. So these plates, here's what we had before, here's what we have right now. That's like the brass coating or whatever, that's the metal surface. That's still a bunch of crap. This is the original. That looks kind of cool. I don't know what's wrong with it though. But if I have to text Grandma or something to see if if I put a coat or something on them, because this look butt ugly. It's just, no. But we're going to let that sit, and I'm going to move on to the knobs. The knobs should be a different story, I'd hope. So. Old. Really old. That's what the brass wire brush did. I don't think let's... let's get some... So we got good stuff on it. Okay. Now, we're going to put it in the chuck of the drill. Then we're going to Scotch Brite. Yeah. I already tried it, and it seemed to be working good, so. Where's the Scotch Brite? There it is. Okay. Here goes nothing. Shinier, which that also matches the lock plate here. So, let's do this. Oh, that was forking beautiful. That is actually not half bad. Not half bad one bit. So that's basically what I'm going to do with the other one. And it should turn out good. I'll probably put a protective coating or something on it if I have anything. But I'll be back with you when the other one's done. Okay, we're back. Look how shiny those are. I put like polishing compound on them, so they should be more protected from the elements. You guys already know what the box looks like. That. Extra compound on my fingers. I'll kind of rub it in here, I guess. Yeah. And we're done. We're done with it. It's all nice and shiny and all pretty, and with like a darker stained door, and Grandma liked silver. I know Grandma likes silver, so this is gonna go fantastic. But on a completely different note, there's a reason why I made this video. There's a reason why I make every single video. Not really, but you know, it's whatever. Dang near close to 100-year lock, right? And you've been around this long or whatnot, and you know this will be my 100th video on YouTube. 100 videos. Triple digits. 3. So I figured I'd do something different, but something bigger. That wasn't really big. It was me restoring a lock, or not a lock, a doorknob. But that lock is close to 100 years old, and that's what Grandpa told me. So, or near the 70 to 100 zone, right in there, if not over 100. So that is all I have for this video. My 100th video. That is all. And I just gotta say thanks for sticking around this long. If you have. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I will see you again.